Do you know that you can create polls on WhatsApp? In this quick video, we're going to show you how you can easily create a poll in just a couple of clicks on both iPhone or Android devices. Whether you're planning an event or just curious about what everyone thinks, this feature will help you make decisions quickly. So all we have to do is to open the WhatsApp application on our phone and then navigate to an existing conversation in which you would like to run a poll in. Or you can start a new conversation and then create a poll there. Once you open the conversation with your friends or family members, simply tap on this little plus option at the left side of the screen. And after that, we're going to select this poll option right here. That will open another section in the app where it will allow us to create a poll. So just type in your question right here, and I'll ask what their favorite social media app is. And after that, I'll type in a couple of answers. You can type up to 12 poll options, or answers, but I'll enter 4 answers for the purpose of this video. If you want the participants to select more than one answer, then make sure that this Allow Multiple Answers option is enabled or turned on. But if you want them to only select one answer, then just disable this feature, and after you had entered in your question and answers, simply tap on this Send option at the top right corner of the screen. The poll will now be created and sent into the conversation, and participants can just tap on an answer or multiple answers and vote. That's how we can create polls in WhatsApp, everyone.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.